What do you got there, Dino?
I got sugar.
Ah, honey, honey. Boo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Boo-doo-boo-doo-boo-boo. Ah, honey, honey. Boo-doo-boo-doo-boo-boo. Smells amazing in here. Is this 23 year or is this regular? 23 year Pappy. This is the most valuable maple syrup in the world, Mike. Did you know that?
That's what I hear.
It's made right here in Jefferson, Ohio. J-Town.
Yep.
They love it in Vermont when we tell them we make the most valuable maple syrup in the world.
They do.
Canada really loves it. What's going on here?
Yeah.
It smells amazing when we bottle this. You know that?
Phase one.
I tell everybody in the maple industry that wants a filler, they always ask me my opinion, and I tell them that the Lapierre 4-head filler is the best one you can buy from any equipment dealer. So how this works is, Kyle replaces the bottles, hits the button, and it's going to run for a certain amount of time. This works with two things that are important. All these valves here control the flow of each one, and this pump over here is circulating, and this has head pressure right here. So when these valves open up, it's no longer pumping up, it's pumping down into the bottle. These look amazing. You guys have done a great job. They look clean. What he's always got to watch is that little drop. That's the one that gets you. I screwed him up. Did you see that? I screwed up his rhythm. Can you believe that? I do that sometimes. Sorry, Kyle. These guys are humming. Jody's over here capping. You guys kind of cap together, don't you? Like you work together on it.
Yeah.
Sometimes you get ahead and he caps and so she's capping and tipping. And then what she'll do is run it down the line. This gets an ink jet on it. So, let's see if I can get a shot of it. It's kind of hard to see. Man, this stuff smells good. So then it's going to come down here, and this gets a front and back label. So, handcrafted by Bissell Maple Farm. So Zach's got this doing a front and back label. And it gets wiped down by those brushes. And Zach's putting something on there, like a little red sticker. What is that sticker?
A 23-year.
Oh, that's a 23-year designation. The most valuable maple syrup on planet Earth. I'm trying to say it as much as I can. Just to really irritate people more than anything. Would I ever do that, guys? Would I ever do anything like that? And then you're putting this safety seal or like a
The tamper tape.
tamper tape. And you probably have to put it a certain way. I noticed you're going
Yep.
90 degrees to the label.
Yes. So we want to line up the words on the label
Gotcha.
with the key in the center.
Gotcha.
And then you want to get it in between the second E and the second A.
Oh, so like
And
you're getting
Pappy.
down to the letter of the word.
Yep.
Holy smokes. This is a cool shot, by the way. I'm explaining a lot more in this. Got the little whirly gig. So what are you guys doing down here with pens?
We are labeling them with numbers and
Yeah.
batch numbers and bottle numbers.
So this is the 4th batch of Pappy 23. Is that what it is?
Yes.
Interesting. I'm sorry I'm saying numbers down here, Linda. Do you always love it when I'm down here saying numbers?
Love it. Love it.
Oh, I'm going to get the next one. Very cool. I know, I do. I tease people. Very cool. Now Melissa's down here boxing. Double checking, aren't you? Sweet. Pappy Company. This is the pallet configuration. We use this on pallet.com to figure out our pallet configuration. So even I can come down here and look and help if needed. Dino just brought us more glass. I loved when we bottle syrup. I get to live vicariously through everybody. Sorry for instigating. I am an instigator, there's no doubt. I know how to really get under people's skin. I'm the oldest of three. It's my job. Heck, Jessica.
Good morning.
I put that syrup out for Nate. It's right out front.
How'd you do that without an order, Nate?
What?
You can't pull things from the warehouse without an order.
I told you, Adam. I told you. Well, what I did is I just put the syrup out there. But I took a picture of the label to give you. So
Where is it?
It's on my phone.
That's a drive-by.
It is. It is.
Sugar, oh honey, honey, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you, honey, oh sugar, sugar, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. I just can't believe the loveliness of loving you. I just can't believe it's true. I just can't believe the wonder of this feeling too. I just can't believe it's true. Ah, sugar. Oh, honey, honey. You are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. Oh, honey, oh, sugar, sugar, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. When I kissed you, girl, I knew how sweet a kiss could be. I know how sweet a kiss can be. Like the summer sunshine, pour your sweetness over me. Pour your sweetness over me. Oh, sugar, sugar on me, honey. Pour a little sugar on me, baby.
Life's so sweet.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Pour a little sugar on me. Oh, yeah. Pour a little sugar on me, honey. Pour a little sugar on me, baby.
Make life so sweet.
Yeah, pour a little sugar on me, honey. Ah, sugar. Honey, honey. You are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. Oh, honey, sugar, sugar,
Full pallet.